Have you ever needed to get a table out of a PDF and into Google Sheets? I'm going to show you the simple two-step process to do it for free without any fancy software. First, you need to convert your PDF into a CSV file. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet format that Google Sheets loves. Open your web browser and search for PDF to CSV online converter. You'll find a bunch of free options. Pick one, and for this one, I'm going to pick this one from Zamzar. Then I'm going to choose my file and then click Convert Now. It's converting it. Then I can click Download. Now for the easy part. Open Google Sheet, go to File, and then click on Import. Now go to where you've downloaded the CSV file. Google Sheets will give you a few options. Usually you can just leave the settings as they are, let it automatically detect the separator, and click Import Data. And that's it. The data from your PDF is now neatly organized in your Google Sheet, ready for you to sort, filter, and analyze. If this saved you from a ton of manual data entry, please hit that subscribe button for more smart tricks. Did you run into any issues with your conversion? Let me know in the comments and let's troubleshoot together. Thanks for watching.